Hey everyone, it's your good friend Oztech. Today I'm diving into the top 5 home theater projector screens for 2025. If you're looking to elevate your movie nights or game sessions, stick around. First up, the Elite Screens Aeon CLR. This one's a game changer with its ambient light rejection technology. Perfect for those of you who can't always control the lighting in your room. Plus, it delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks that make your content pop. Next we have the Silver Ticket STR series. Known for its affordability without compromising quality, this screen offers a solid performance with a wide viewing angle. Ideal for those who want great value for their money. Coming in third is the Seymour AV Center Stage XD. This screen is all about acoustics. If you're an audiophile, you'll appreciate its woven fabric that allows sound to pass through without distortion. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Fourth on our list is the Stewart Filmscreen Phantom HALR. A bit on the pricier side, but it's a premium choice for those who want nothing but the best. Its high ambient light rejection is unmatched, making it perfect for bright rooms. Finally, the Screen Innovations Black Diamond. Known for its stunning contrast and color accuracy, this screen is a favorite among serious home theater enthusiasts. It's a splurge, but totally worth it if you want a cinematic experience. So there you have it. The best projector screens for your home theater in 2025. Whether you're on a budget or ready to invest in premium quality, there's something here for everyone. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.